Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer from ShipBob to Deliverr using inventory reports detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer from ShipBob to Deliverr, first, log into your ShipBob account. Navigate to the inventory section of your dashboard. Locate the inventory reports option. Click on it to generate a detailed report of your current stock levels. Select the time range that you want to cover. Then, choose the format for your report, typically CSV or Excel. Download the inventory report to your computer. Next, log into your Deliverr account. Access the Inventory Management tab in your Deliverr dashboard. Look for the option to import inventory. Select the file format that corresponds to your downloaded ShipBob report. Now, open the inventory report file you downloaded. Format the data as necessary to match Deliverr's required structure. Ensure that each product listing includes essential information such as SKU, quantity, and description. Save the newly formatted file. Return to your Deliverr account and upload the formatted inventory file. Follow the prompts to finalize the import process. After the upload is complete, double-check your Deliverr inventory for accuracy. Verify that all product details have been imported correctly. If any discrepancies are found, correct them within the Deliverr interface. Once everything is accurate, your inventory is now successfully transferred from ShipBob to Deliverr. You can now manage your fulfillment through Deliverr effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.